and welcome to today's tip. Now I've got two matching cardstock 12 by 12 here. I've folded one in half and I've just with a pencil sketched out a butterfly. Now you could do a heart, you could even do letters, whatever is going to have a symmetrical shape around both sides of your paper. And what we are going to do is we are going to layer up one side here. We're going to glue that side down, and the same with this one. We're going to glue down like so. How fabulous is that? I'm just going to quickly show you how you can add your picture. I'm going to put the picture of my daughter right in the middle there. Might even have her to one side just to make it easy on the eye. And when this is all stuck down, obviously it's moving around now, you can just sort of start to add your embellishments on like so. Now the other thing that I thought might look really cool that I wanted to do was to get a black pen and do my journaling around the outside of the wings. So my daughter, Maddie, and then go all the way around the edge. Doesn't that look amazing? I just love this idea of negative space when you cut things out and just folding them up. Now you will need to stick everything down, or the other option that you can do, I mean I really like the folds, I think they leave a nice clean edge, but the other option you can do is to cut them and make two layouts and have the opposite on another layout. That would also look amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this tip today, and I'll see you next time.